Sign up today and won $500. I'm looking at these ads about solar energy and I really don't know what to think about this. Sign up bonus $450. Solar is free. Save thousands of dollars by going solar. Jesus. If you would like to know if solar really brings you savings, please send us your electric bill so we can build your solar savings report without the stress or games. Meet virtually via Zoom, over the phone, or in person. No sales guys without rush, and everything in writing using virtual contracts like DocuSign. Because you deserve to be treated at your own pace, without pressure and by professionals, Clever Energy is here for you, so let the sun provide you savings.
Want to learn more? Visit gocleverenergy.com today and see how the sun can provide you savings.